I bought a lot of X-Men comics, and yeah, let's see what we got here. Maybe there's one or two 9.8s in this box. So I'm going to go ahead and get it open, and let's see what we got. Alright, we got some good packaging here. Several books attached to a piece of cardboard, all stacked on top of each other. Tape slipped on one of them. There was a corner bump on the box. You can see right here. So it did get banged around a little bit, but I think the comics are fine. Let me get them off the cardboard here and we'll see what books we have. So when they sell books in lots like this, sometimes you never know what you're going to get. Usually you're a little disappointed because, you know, if the books were ultra high grade, wouldn't they be selling them individually? Well, this is the exception to that rule, and they looked really good online. That's why I bought them and bid on them. I didn't think I would get them for the price. I got these for about $10 each. And I think I did exceptionally well because this one looks like a 9.8 already. This one also looks like a 9.8. Looks like I could submit these right now and potentially get the 9.8. But these are at least not. This one's at least a 9.6. It only has, each of these have maybe 2 or 3 defects on them right now. This one is at least a 9.6. This one has a really good chance of a 9.8 after I press it. Number 211. So we got so far 209, 210, 211. Skips to 215 here. This one has some ticks on it, but I don't think they break color. I think I can clean that up. Once again, this is another 9.8 possibility. The backs of these books are white, which, you know, most of them are, which makes getting 9.8s easier because you don't have that black spine on the back. This one as well, just about 3 ticks, no color breaks. Also a possible 9.8. So far, everything has a potential 9.8. This is the first one that is probably not going to be a 9.8. It's the Newsstand 218. And it's got several color breaks here on the spine. This one's probably going to be capped at like a 9.2 or 4. But that's fine. First one that couldn't get 9.8. I think we're doing pretty good. This one has one color break here on the spine. Otherwise looks really good. This one also is a potential 9.8. This one is a Key 221 and very nice looking book. Has a little ding here on the bottom of the spine. This corner has a little bit of bindery thing. I don't think this is a defect. Could be. That could hold us back. And otherwise, this is probably, I would say this one's at least a 9.6, maybe 9.4 on a bad day. I'm not sure it can get the 9.8, but that's fine. Still a very nice book. Got some value. This is what I really bought the lot for. This is my favorite cover of all of them. And this certainly has a really good chance at a 9.8. I've got 9.8s that don't look as good as this book. It has one little color break here that's very, very hard to see. And a few ticks that could be cleaned up. Everything else looks good on this book. Corners are sharp. I mean, honestly, these books look like they're on the stands. If I was just going to walk up and look at these books, I wouldn't be able to tell. I think they were all purchased, bagged, and boarded, and have been in storage in very good storage. There's no yellowing on these books for 30 plus years. So very, very happy about my purchase here. I think I did very well getting these for $10 each. But yeah, and some of these might be a pre-screen 9.8. Assuming, you know, I don't know what the values on some of these are. If they have a value of at least 80 as a 9.8, it probably is worth a pre-screen at the price point I bought them, and make a little bit of profit on those. So look for these in future unboxings, and we will see you in the next one.